So if you want a long lasting and soft glam makeup untuk Hari Raya Haji, keep watching. Welcome to Simply Izzati. So hari ni kita nak buat makeup soft glam untuk Hari Raya Aidiladha. You guys really love my Hari Raya makeup tutorial, so I thought we should do for Hari Raya Aidiladha, which is coming up next week, I think. Primer. Ini untuk pore filling. If you have large pores like me, you need to try this one. I will link it down below if you guys are interested, okay? I think we need about like this much. Tak payah banyak-banyak pun. The primer is on. I pakai dekat like my T-zone area je. Sebab kat situ I nak makeup I tahan lama because I have large pores. Primer ni function dia untuk smoothkan tempat yang ada large pores tu. Kalau korang nampak dia macam dah macam smooth kan. So bila kita apply foundation, nanti dia akan layer nicely on top of the primer. For foundation, this is a very long lasting foundation. I really love it. It is also by Nars. I'm not sponsored anyway, they don't know me at all. This is the Nars Soft Matte Complete Foundation. I punya shade is Fiji. Foundation ni you kena hati-hati tau, sebab dia macam tu, dia boleh leaking. So kalau nak travel tu, you have to be extra careful, letak dalam plastik ke apa. And for today, we're going to use this travel set by LM Cosmetics. Since kita like Hari Raya kan, most of us are traveling, I think it is very relevant for us to use travel size makeup brushes. These are very good. You guys know how much I love LM punya makeup brush kan, nicely curated punya brushes tau, because it has their famous foundation brush. Lepas tu dia ada angle brush. This one you can use for contour, you can use for blusher, and then some shader brush, blending brush, and pencil brush. This is very good, okay? I'm going to take the foundation at the back of my hand, like this much, sikit je dulu, and I'm gonna load it like so, and we're gonna blend it. Okay, the key for this foundation is you ambil sikit-sikit dulu and then you blend. Okay, dia lebih senang nak blend macam tu daripada you ambil banyak-banyak. Dia akan jadi extra cakey. Sebab I ingat masa first time I try this foundation, I apply banyak sangat and it looks so cakey. Padahal this foundation is quite watery, so yeah, it blends easily. Okay, for this foundation kan, if you have dry skin and you have like matured skin, I would recommend you to avoid this foundation. Sebab dia very tricky. Masa dia apply, it looks so matte, like matte. Tapi bila over time, bila dia dah dah sit for a few minutes ke few hours on your face, dia jadi cantik tau dekat kulit you. So this foundation, lagi lama you pakai, lagi cantik dia dekat atas kulit you. Trust me. Sebab tu I cakap, if you have dry skin, tolong avoid this foundation. Use the luminous radiant natural foundation by Nars juga. Tak betapa senangnya I nak blend foundation ni. Dia adalah the perfect shade for me. Concealer, I don't want to show you guys this disgusting. Also by Nars, I'm using their soft matte concealer. I punya shade Custard. I'm not gonna use this brush. I'm gonna use face contour brush by LM juga. And it looks like this tau. Dia macam sengit macam tu. Jadi senang nak apply bawah mata. So I'm gonna apply it under my eye lightly, macam just tap macam tu je. Sebab I tak nak dia cakey. Like so. And then dekat I punya dagu ni, yang I ada macam scars, bukan scar, dia scalp sebab I punya jerawat dah kering semalam. Kita akan set our under eye with Intuit punya powder. Korang dah tengok ke I punya review on this powder? It's very nice. So, I really love this powder punya like stopper and sifter. Dia macam kemas, so you tak payah macam nak tuang-tuang macam tu kan. And I'm using this one by Essence. It's powdery, obviously. And I'm going to set my under eye with it. Kita set tempat yang perlu je. Also, I'm gonna take like small amount to set my forehead and my nose sikit. Sebab bedak ni dia ada effect macam soft focus punya effect tau. So I want that. This is by Breena Beauty. Ini nama dia Soft Black. This one I akan apply dekat belakang. And then SilkyGirl Dark Brown I akan pakai kat depan. Okay guys, off camera I did my eyebrows because there's nothing interesting pun. So I'm using this Natasha Denona palette. This is their Glam Face Palette for light. Obviously I'm very fair and light, so I'm using this one. Dia ada eyeshadows, and then dia ada, let me open this one up, and then dia also ada blusher and highlighter in the same palette. So I think this is like the perfect travel palette, especially nak balik kampung kan. However, it is in the pricier side dekat Sephora, so I beli time sale. Macam biasa, I'm a cheapskate. Okay, so from the travel palette, I akan ambil blending brush ni. So I'm going to take the crease shade here. Oh no, I'm going to take this one first. This is transition shade. Dia macam peachy brown colour. And then I akan blend dia to all over the crease from the back, and then just blend away macam tu. So I focus dekat luar sini, and then dekat I punya tulang kening kat sini, and then I blend macam tu. And then kita akan ambil crease shade sebelah transition ni. Okay, and then tap off all the excess, and kita akan blend sama macam transition tadi, cuma kita akan bawa dia ke bawah sikit macam ni. Kita akan bawa dia dekat kita punya eyelid area. Okay, akan ambil brush, shader brush ni. This is the shader brush. I'm going to take the darkest shade here. Ini nama dia Smoke, dekat sini. And then bawa dia pergi crease sikit and blend macam tu. The purpose is I nak dia lagi pekat dekat luar mata I compare dekat area dalam mata tu. I nak boleh pakai kat sini. Clean brush, tak ada produk pun. Okay, but I dah lap dengan kain. And then kita akan blend dekat luar mata ni yang kita letak smoke shade tadi, and blend yang kat atas macam tu. With the same shader brush, I akan lap dengan kain. I nak ambil colour outer corner. This one, shimmery colour ni, nama dia outer corner. It's very pretty and a little bit chunky and soft. And I am going to take my spray. Any spray would do. I'm gonna spritz a little bit spray sikit. And kita akan letak dekat kita punya eyelid. Do you see that gorgeous color? You see that? Oh, pretty, pretty. I should do my eye makeup first sebenarnya. Nah, muka I dah penuh dengan glitter, but whatever. That is so pretty. I akan ambil the first shade here called Inner Corner, like so. Oh, that's beyond pretty. I love that. It's so pretty. Love. Okay, now I akan ambil colour transition tadi, which is this one. I akan run it underneath my eye. Macam tu. I'm gonna use my Inglot matte eyeliner. I'm using Rimmel's Candle Eye Kajal Liner. Okay guys, the eye is done for now. Sebab I belum pakai lagi mascara. Tapi I nak sambung buat muka I dulu. Sebab muka I nampak pale gila. I akan ambil this contour brush. I'm using this one by Tarte. I'm going to use another LM brush. This is the nose shade brush. I'm using the pencil brush. I akan pakai highlighter from this palette here. A little bit like this side. This one. So kita akan guna palette Tarte ni, this one. Kita akan gunakan clay palette ni. Korang nak tengok tak? Okay, this shade. So we're gonna put the blush right here. Wow. This palette I'm obsessed. So cantik, dah tak payah pakai highlighter pun sebenarnya. Oh my gosh, love. I'm gonna curl my lashes. Sky High Mascara by Maybelline. For lipstick, I'm gonna use this one by Palladio. It is called the Palladio Cream Lip Matte. Sorry, Cream Lip Color. This is in the shade Bear. And on top of it, I nak pakai lip gloss. This is by Colourpop. It's called Mami. So kalau you suka like matte look, you dah siap dah sebenarnya pakai macam ni je. Tapi I suka pakai lip gloss sebab dia cantik. So this is the lip gloss. Dia lebih kurang sama je shade dia. Okay, we're almost done. Lastly, to make sure yang kita lock everything in place, kita akan gunakan makeup setting spray. Dan makeup setting spray yang I guna is by Urban Decay. It is the all-nighter one. Urban Decay ni dah tak available tau dekat Sephora Malaysia. Tapi kalau you guys are interested, I akan linkkan kat bawah. And your makeup will not move and stay on longer. Korang boleh try this setting spray all-nighter, okay? So I'm gonna give it a good shake. And we're done. This is my take on the Hari Raya Aidiladha punya long lasting makeup tutorial and soft glam. We won't talk about my nose contour. This is my first time trying out this nose contour, so I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. Thank you for watching, you guys. Jangan lupa subscribe, okay? And after this, I might be MIA. Jadi kita orang akan pindah dekat rumah baru kita orang. So I tak tahulah I ada masa tak untuk record makeup tutorial. Maybe I will do like a vlog ataupun live update je macam tu. So be sure you guys subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much you guys for watching. I will see you guys on my next video. Bye bye. Selamat Hari Raya.